The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is finally about to launch, and this time we even have a clear expected date, around April 16th, 2026. But what's more interesting is that most of its key features are already leaked, and three big upgrades stand out: a larger sensor for better video quality, longer battery life, and even a possible dual camera pro version. So here's everything you need to know in a simple way. First, the biggest upgrade is the camera. The Pocket 4 is expected to come with a 1-inch sensor, which means better low light performance and sharper video compared to previous models. It will likely support high quality 4K video with higher frame rates, making it better for slow motion and cinematic shots. This makes it a strong option for vloggers and content creators who want clean and detailed footage. The design is also getting small but useful improvements. Leaked images show extra control buttons, which will make it easier to control zoom and recording without touching the screen. There's also a brighter rotating display, which should help when shooting outdoors. Another very useful addition is the built-in LED light, which can help a lot in low light conditions, especially for indoor videos or night shooting. Battery life is also expected to improve. This means longer recording time compared to the previous model, which is important if you shoot videos for longer sessions. Now, here's where things get more interesting. There are strong leaks suggesting that DJI may also launch a pro version of this camera. This version could include a dual camera setup, giving users more flexibility like different angles or zoom options. That would be a big upgrade because previous Pocket cameras only had a single lens. Final thoughts. Overall, the Pocket 4 looks like a simple but powerful upgrade, especially for vloggers and everyday creators. But if the Pro version with dual cameras actually launches, that could be the real game changer. For more quick tech updates and latest leaks, subscribe to Smart Tech Radar, and I'll see you in the next video.